All right, what's going on, everyone? Your boy Juan Valdez here, and I hope you guys are having an excellent day so far. Your boy just got cleaned up, you know what I'm saying? Got to hit the barber shop weekly. But today we're going to be going over a topic that I do get frequently asked about, and that's going to be, should I run a retail offer or should I run a free plus shipping? So what I did is I just actually outlined a few different points, kind of going over, retail offers and how it works and some of the perks, and free plus shipping and how it works and some of the perks. And we'll go and dive right into it. But if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family. I'm going to be continuing to drop more content for you guys and sharing a lot of the cutting edge strategies that, we're learning within e-commerce and dropshipping and sharing it with you guys. So we'll jump right into my computer and I'll go over some of the notes that I have for you guys. Alright, so when it comes to e-commerce and dropshipping, you guys probably already may know this, but the main offers that are used are either free plus shipping offers and retail offers. And I'll be going over some of the reasons as to why you guys should use both of them and actually test them out and see which one works better for you. But basically, when it comes to free plus shipping, for those of you guys that don't know what free plus shipping offer is, it's basically where you advertise your product for free and the customer just has to pay the shipping and the handling, and you make the profit from whatever you're charging for the shipping. When it comes down to it, people aren't used to going through with free plus shipping offers as much, because sometimes they're a little bit skeptical, like, what's wrong with this product? Why am I getting it for free? Why are they only charging for shipping? But it is something that is still used and it is pretty effective within e-commerce and drop shipping. Free plus shipping is actually something that was started. It was actually used a lot by, or actually still is used a lot by, infomercials. If you're up at 3 a.m. or so and you're watching TV, you get hit with a lot of infomercials, and they usually use a lot of free plus shipping offers. One of the reasons is because it's profitable, and it usually gets a lot of customers through the door. It gets a lot of people to come into your website and make that first purchase, and get used to seeing your website. And what it also does is that it does allow you to collect data. And what I mean by data is simply like collecting customers' email. The reason why that's valuable to your business is because if you can collect that email, and you can incentivize them by giving them a free plus shipping offer just to get their email, you can then market and offer them other products and services from your website. So you can get the customer that purchased that first time in your website. It may not be the best purchase, but then you can remarket to them and offer them other products, which can then end up being even more profitable. One thing that I wanted to share with you guys is, when it comes to your store, you want to make sure that you keep your free plus shipping offers hidden. You're not showing your whole store, because then what it does is that it devaluates your website. If people come in and customers see that you're just running your whole website is being ran on free plus shipping offers, they're gonna think, well, how is this business running on just free items? How is he doing that? There must be a scam, or there must be something wrong with the products. There must be something that they're doing on the back end to then charge you again. Like, there must be something wrong. So you want to make sure that you're keeping your free plus shipping offers hidden, and you're only letting the customers see them when they're seeing your ads. So that way, if they try to go and check to see maybe other products or other offers on your website, they see that if they go on your website, they only get to see the retail version of the product. But then, since they came through that ad and that special offer, they're going to be able to get that same product for a free plus shipping offer, where they're only paying for the shipping. And usually what you want to do is obviously charge a lot more for the retail version than the free plus shipping. You want to make the customer feel like they're really getting that free plus shipping offer, and they're really getting the value that they're going to be paying for. And so you want to make sure that you keep the retail version obviously public on your website, and obviously it's a lot more. Coming down to it, when it comes down to retail offers, obviously people are already used to seeing retail offers all over and over again. There's different kinds of retail offers, but usually you see the, get this product for 30% off, or you'll see, buy one, get one free, buy this, get something 50% off the next offer or the next product, or there's many different variations when it comes to retail offers, and you guys are probably already used to seeing these. These are important because these are offers that people are already used to seeing, so obviously these are good to test out because people are already used to seeing, offers like, buy this, get this percentage off. I would say the majority ones that we've used are buy this product, get it for 30% off for the holidays, or, right now it's the holidays, so we would try that out. Or there's different copy and different structures to set up the ads, but when it comes down to retail offers, we've usually tried out, getting a percentage off of the product. You guys can also try to do the same. Try those out. Obviously, people are already used to buying regular retail offers, so of course it wouldn't hurt to always test these out. Almost every single store or website uses this. There aren't actually too many websites like the bigger companies and bigger brands that even do free plus shipping. Obviously, a majority of their business is just retail offers. So you definitely want to take advantage of doing the same. again, you want to make sure that your website and your business is being considered as, one of the big websites that other people are buying from as well. So make sure you're taking advantage and you're setting those up. So what retail offers do is that it actually gives your store a lot more credibility. They're coming in, they're seeing that, obviously you have an actual website, you're selling products for the actual price. Usually retail offers end up being a lot more profitable because you're charging a lot more than you are for, free plus shipping offers. I forgot to mention, it does depend on the price of the product. And the reason why free plus shipping depends on the price of the product is because if a product is, if you're getting it at over, I would say like $10 or so, or even $10 to $15 or so, then that means you're probably gonna have to charge double to be able to, make profit on it, or a little bit more than, the $10 obviously. And usually what we've tested is the perfect price point to charge for a free plus shipping offer when advertised online is anywhere from as low as $7.99 to as high as like, $14.95, or you can probably push and do like $17, almost $20 range. But usually like the perfect price point for a free plus shipping offer is anywhere from like as low as $7.95 or as high as like $14.99 or something like that. That's usually the price point that we've tested that works really well. So obviously if the product is more than $14 or $10 to $15, then you might not be able to do a free plus shipping offer. You'll just have to stick to the regular retail offer. And when it comes to the retail offer, obviously you can charge a lot more than than you can for a free plus shipping, because people are used to paying more on regular retail offers. So usually they end up being a lot more profitable. So that's always good to have as well. And when it comes to retail offers, your whole store should be built basically only showing all retail offers. You should not be showing any free plus shipping, because again, if you study other websites, they don't have any free offers or any products that you can get supposedly free and just pay shipping on. They usually set those up as special offers. So make sure you guys are doing that. Make sure your whole website is covered retail offers. When it comes down to both retail and free plus shipping offers, something that I wanted to let you guys know is that they work really well done together. And what I mean by that is a strategy that we usually do is, and you guys will learn more about, is upselling and downselling, right? So what we do is we focus on, driving traffic to a free plus shipping offer, and then we immediately have upsell offers. And upsells, all it is that once a customer is ready to buy the free plus shipping offer, they get a pop-up or notification either before or after checkout, letting them know, like, for this one-time offer, you can get this product for 20% off as a regular retail offer right now. And if that's an upsell. And if they don't want that, then we also have a downsell, which is, get this product. Usually downsells are cheaper products, because obviously if they said no to the more expensive product, they're not going to want to pay more for the same product or even more expensive product. Usually if you have a cheaper product that you can downsell on, they're more likely to get that. So we have an upsell right away, and then if not, then a downsell offer. And they're both retail offers. So we're not downselling to a free plus shipping or upselling to a free plus shipping. Usually we're either downselling or upselling to both retail offers. So usually you want to make sure you do have retail offers in your store, because then you can do things like upsell to these. And if you can get a customer to come in for the free plus shipping, buy your free plus shipping offer, and then also buy either your upsell or your downsell offer, that's more profit that you can make by simply having a customer buy your regular free plus shipping offer. So you want to make sure that you have those set up, because again, that can definitely increase your average order value, which is something that obviously we're going to teach you guys more about. But basically, if you can get a customer to come in and leave with more than just your regular free plus shipping offer, simply because you had an extra upsell and downsell offer, then that's obviously better for everyone. That's the reason why you want to make sure you have retail offers, because if you don't have any retail offers, you can't upsell a free plus shipping offer with another free plus shipping offer. It's going to be like, that doesn't make much sense. It's not congruent. So make sure, that's what I mean when I say they work really well together. That's a strategy you guys can use and implement. I usually recommend, when it comes down to the both of them, make sure you guys are advertising both retail ads and you're also running free plus shipping ads. You don't want to be known as a store that's just always promoting these free products, right? You want to be known as a legitimate e-commerce business. So you want to make sure if you're going to run free plus shipping ads, you're also running regular retail offer ads as well. Start running retail ads first, then do free plus shipping, because what it does is when you get started and people start seeing your retail ads, and they see like, okay, maybe they might not buy on the first time, but then when they see your ad again and they see like now they have it for a free plus shipping special, all right, let me take advantage of it right now because obviously it's a better deal. And then what you want to do is you want to keep cycling between the both of them, because what's going to happen is for those of the people that didn't take advantage of the free plus shipping, when they see that it's gone and you're only running your retail ads now, they're going to be like, wow, I just missed out on this. I should go ahead and buy. I should have taken advantage when it was a free plus shipping offer, you know? So you want to keep cycling, testing both of them out, seeing what works. You're going to have some customers that like the free plus shipping. You're going to have some customers that like the retail offer. That's just, you have to test and see which one works really good for you and your store. But I recommend testing both of them out. Even testing free plus shipping first. You never know. Maybe that might do better. But for sure, you want to test both. If you're going to start off with doing free plus shipping first, make sure your whole store at least has all retail offers, and that they're only seeing that free plus shipping offer that you're running traffic to when they click on it, and they can't just find it anywhere in your store. That way they don't think it's just for everybody. Make the customer feel special when they're clicking on that ad. So that's what I had for you guys so far. Obviously, I'm gonna do a lot more of these videos. Keep sharing with you guys some of the cutting edge strategies that we're trying out. A fun fact: we've actually had we've had a great amount of success with both free plus shipping and retail. Actually, and I would say we've probably done we've done a lot more sales and revenue with free plus shipping. So it's definitely a good strategy, and the way we've been able to do a lot more free plus shipping is because we've set up our free plus shipping ad, and we also included retail upsells and downsells. So that's how we were able to really crush it. So I hope you guys got light from this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that like button. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys have already tried this strategy out, how it's worked for you, which one has made you guys obviously more money, more sales. So let me know, is free plus shipping better for you guys, or has retail offer, has that worked better for your store? So make sure you give me some feedback, and also make sure if you already haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.